for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Suburban. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, HD radio, auxiliary audio input, premium sound system, steering wheel audio controls, navigation from telematics, adjustable pedals. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.